This is Hansshow newest center console physical control button, multi-functions for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. What this allows you to do is control multiple things in your Tesla vehicle. For example, your climate control. You can control your fan speed. You can control the temperature in your Tesla vehicle with the scroll of that knob, whether from cool to heat, and you can customize ambient lighting that comes with this kit as well. The installation takes less than 10 minutes, and you can customize each button to control a specific task in the vehicle, opening your front to your trunk and so forth, and we'll see that at the end of the video. To install this, there's no adhesive. There's a clip that you remove from the top, and you mount this control device behind and in front of the bottom of the display for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. And then you run the wire to the passenger side on the right door, and you pry open just two covers and a rubber seal, which takes less than a few seconds. So you remove the L-shaped cover in the door seal, and you have full access to this plug. This is the white plug on the A-pillar. You just unplug it from the Tesla vehicle and plug it into the Hansshow harness, and replug the Hansshow harness into that plug you just removed. And that is it. Less than 10 minutes to install with the pry tool that is provided. And now you're able to customize each button to open the door, to be able to open your charge port, to be able to pop up your front or your trunk, and you can customize the ambient lighting. There's so much controls that you can use with this new Hansshow center console physical control button, multi-functions for your Tesla Model Y and 3. Check out link in the description of this video. Use the promo code for the discount.